Welcome to the tutorial for logging in to the NRPP online certification portal. If you have recently applied for radon measurement or mitigation certification with NRPP, or if you are recertifying to maintain your current certification, then you will be using the self-serve portal to upload the required documentation, as well as pay any fees associated with your certification. To begin, you will need to visit the AARST NRPP website. It's www.aarst-nrpp.com. As a side note, you will want to make sure that you are using the most current version of your web browser. Google Chrome and Firefox tend to work best, as opposed to using Apple Safari on a Mac device. From the home page, you will need to click the orange Sign In button at the top right of the page. Once you do that, you will be directed to another page that will ask you to sign in once more. This is the option you will choose if you already have a password. If you have not yet created a password, or if you have lost or forgotten your password, then you may click the Set or Reset Password button. Here is where you will enter your username, and once you click Get New Password, this will prompt the system to send you an email with a link to reset your password. Your username for the online portal is the email address that you initially registered with when you applied for certification with NRPP. If at any time you ever change or update your email address, this will also change your username. So I'm going to return to the main page by clicking the back button. And we're going to go ahead and sign in as if we already know our password. Once you sign in, you will come to a page that says NRPP Certification Portal. You can either click this blue button here, or you may click the link that says click here to enter the certification portal. They will both take you to the same place. After clicking the link, you will now be in the NRPP certification portal. This is the dashboard here. You see several different tabs across the top. This concludes the tutorial on how to initially log into the portal. To learn how to navigate within the portal, please visit the AARST-NRPP website for more video tutorials.